Hey guys, it's Mr. Davis. In this video, we're going to do a quick look at simplifying irrational roots. Now remember, we've been handling rational roots just fine. We call them perfect roots. And that's something like the second root of 9, where when I do my prime factors, I get two factors that match, because it's a second root. And so it comes out as a beautiful number. Irrational roots are roots that don't come out as a beautiful number, kind of like the second root of 20. When I do my prime factorization to 10 to 5, I still get something I could pull out often, but then I've got this weird and strange leftover. And we're going to talk about how to handle those leftovers. It's not that bad. You'll do a great job. Let's get started. Okay, so our first problem here is the second root of 12. If you already know how to do this, pause and go ahead and simplify the root. If not, let's do it together. I'm going to start by doing my prime factors, 2 and 6, 2 and 3. And now I've broken up the second root of 12 into its prime factors. I see it's a second root, so I'm looking for two matching numbers, and I can see the two matching numbers right here. That means that the 2 can come out of the root. It's free. That 2 is free. So I'm going to write it over here on the outside of the root. But this 3 right here that you're seeing, it doesn't come out. It doesn't have the match. It's stuck inside the root. So if I've got my second root, I can get the 2's out, or at least one of them, and that 3 is stuck inside the root. It's a leftover. And I get 2 second roots of 3 as my answer. That's it. That's the only change. Go ahead and try this problem. The third root of 40. Go ahead and try this one, and then hit play when you're ready to check your answer. All right, here we go. So I'm doing my prime factors. I'm pulling out every single number I can, breaking up my big numbers into little ones. I'm going to cross out what I've used up, and let's see, I'm looking for groups of 3 matching numbers. There's 3 matching 2's right there, which means with my root, a 2 can come out. And what's left over? That 5 is left over. And that would be my answer, 2 third roots of 5. Ooh, try this one, the second root of 72. Hit play when you're ready to check your answer. Well, let's see. Let's do our prime factors. 2 and 36, 2 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 3. I'm going to cross out everything that I used up. And look here. I'm looking for 2 matching numbers. There's a group of 2's, and there's a group of 3's. So when I look at my second root, I can see that this has a 2 come out, and that has a 3 come out. What's left over? Well, I've got 1, 2 left over. Now, I'm not done, because that 2 times 3 needs to get multiplied. 2 times 3 is 6, and everything else is the same, second roots of 2. So, reviewing, I do my prime factors, my matches have a number come out, and my leftovers are stuck inside. Alright, go ahead and try this one and hit play when you're finished. Let's see, that's going to be 2 and 100, 2 and 50, 2 and 25, 5 and 5. I've got my 2's, and I've got some 5's. So if I look at my second root, a 2 comes out, and a 5 comes out. And I've got this 2 as a leftover. 2 times 5 is 10 second roots of 2. All right, let's try this one. Hit play when you're ready to see the answer. So we're going to break up 24 to be 2 and 12. which becomes 2 and 6, and the 6 becomes 2 and 3. Looking for groups of 2, there's my group of 2. So when I look at my second root, a 2 comes out. That 2 and 3 right here, these guys are stuck on the inside. So I got 2 times 3 on the inside still. What's 2 times 3? It's 6. So that's 2 second roots of 6. And that's my answer. We'll keep practicing. You guys are going to do a great job. I'll make another video soon with just a lot of practice problems so that you can practice this a lot and master it. Good job, guys.